This is the Clean Sui water filter unit designed for commercial water applications, where good quality water not only provides safer, cleaner drinking water, but also helps ensure better functioning of machines and equipment, whilst at the same time removing impurities in the water and reducing maintenance costs. This filter unit fits in line with your water supply and accommodates a flow rate of around 12 litres per minute with a maximum line pressure of 4 bars. So whether it's filtering water for coffee machines, commercial kitchens, hotels, restaurants or general use, it can handle high volumes with a cartridge life of 50,000 litres. The filter cartridge has 3 stages of filtration, starting with a non-woven fabric filter, which removes any solids and sediment in the water. The next stage contains fibrous activated carbon, which removes odor whilst also improving the taste. It also removes residual chlorine and trihalomethanes, which are the byproducts from the chlorine treatment and organic matter breakdown. The final stage passes the water through a hollow fiber membrane which can filter right down to 0.1 of a micron particle size, and thus prevents bacteria like E. coli from passing through this triple action filtration. The hollow fiber membrane filter also removes microorganisms, organic matter, algae, turbidity, fungi, rust and metal particles from your water. This unit is easy to install, however it is recommended to use a plumber to ensure the correct fittings and attachments are used in line with the manufacturer's instruction manual. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.